Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3029 for the 2019-20 Panini Obsidian basketball card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It's Thursday, August 13th, 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time. It's Wednesday, August 12th, 11:01 p.m. Central Time and 9:01 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have SH 1 spot, Robberman 2, JA with 1, Joe 1, or let's do this, Joe Det with 1. We have Joe 2, Light Ryan 3, 69 Corey with 1, Duke 3, Velma 2, NP 1, OB 1, O'Brien 1, MH 1. All 1, C-Kid 3, E-Grizzly 3, Strictly 2, T.I.Boy 1 spot. Let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. SH on top, T.I.Boy on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6. And lucky number 7 has E-Grizzly on top, OB on the bottom. E-Grizzly, Hawks, Duke, Celtics, C-Kid, Nets, Velma, Hornets, NP Bulls, Duke, Cavaliers, Robberman with the Mavericks, Light Ryan with the Nuggets, E-Grizzly, Pistons, Joe 69 with the Warriors, Velma Rockets, E-Grizzly Pacers, JA with the Clippers, Light Ryan Lakers, Duke with the Grizzlies, Strictly Heat, Light Ryan Bucks, SH Timberwolves, T.I.Boy Pelicans, Strictly Knicks, Joe Det with the Thunder, MH Magic, Robberman 76ers, Joe 69 with the Suns, C-Kid Trailblazers Kings, All Spurs, O'Brien Raptors, 69 Corey with the Jazz, and OBR with the Washington Wizards. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the cards will go. There's 7. All 7 will ship. The Leaf Valiant Hobby Pack, Value Packs up next. Don't want to grab that, don't need that. There's our pack. Empty box. Alright guys, good luck. Box last night was pretty nice. All there. First up we have Paul Millsap, Denver Nuggets. So we'll go through the box and then go through and highlight our winners. Carmelo Anthony, Portland Trail Blazers. That's going to be 11 out of 75. Kevin Love, Cleveland Cavaliers. That is 15 out of 25 for Kevin Love and the Cavs. We have Thomas Bryant and the Washington Wizards. Four down, 3 to go. We have for the Portland Trail Blazers and Bernie Simmons, jersey auto. Number 1 out of 75 for Portland. Congrats, Portland. We have for the Philadelphia 76ers rookie auto, which is Thibault. .46 out of 75. Then we have rookie Cody Martin, Charlotte Hornets. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. And we'll start with the Charlotte Hornets. Hornets going to Velma, 1970. Congrats. And we have the Washington Wizards. OBR 344. Congrats. Cleveland Cavaliers. Eric Duke, congrats. Then we have Carmelo Anthony and Portland. Also, Simmons going with Portland. So Portland, you have 2 double dipping Portland Trailblazers. Portland with 2 going to C-Kid 351. Congrats, C-Kid. Paul Millsap and the Nuggets. Denver Nuggets going to Light Ryan 408. Congrats. And last but not least, the Philadelphia 76ers. Going to Robberman. Congrats, Robberman. Guys, that was break 3029 for the 2019-20 Obsidian, Panini Obsidian basketball card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. And coming up next, break 3037 2019 Leaf Valiant Baseball Value Pack. Thanks.